Good morning, 早上好。Last lesson, we learned how to use are when the are is in the front of the sentences. But today we are going to learn how to use are when the are is in the end of the sentences. Actually, there are also 5 common ways to use are when the are is in the end of the sentences. Okay, so the first way to use are is also like when you are amazed, you feel so you are so surprised. But when you put are in the end of the sentence, basically you will use 多 something are together. 多 plus the adjective and are means what a something something. For example, 多好的人啊，好 means good, wonderful. 人 people person. What a nice person. What a nice person. You can say 多好的人啊，多好的人啊。多 plus adjective and something and are. Okay, basically you can remember 多 something are means what a da 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 or how da da da, like that. Okay. And the second way to use are is hurry up, quickly, soon, now. Okay, so when you use are here, basically you will put 快 in front of the verb. For example, 快来啊 come soon, come quickly. Okay, 你快来呀 you come quickly, you come now, you come here at once, similar like that. So when you see 快 something, 快 verb are, it means do something quickly. Okay, quickly, soon, like that. Okay, so first way to use are is like 多 something are means you are amazed, like the what a nice person, like that. But number 2, when you see 快 something are means like do something quickly. Okay, like the hurry up, you have to rush, like that. And the third way to use are, basically you will put the are in the end of the sentence, but it's a question. You put the are in the end of the question sentence. Basically, you can also say, where are you going? Just 你去哪儿? 你 means you, 去 go, 哪 where. So where are you going? You can just say 你去哪儿? But why do we have to put are in the end of the sentence? Well, so when you put are in the sentence, in the question sentence, in the end of the question sentence, it means it's like you emphasize. Where are you going? If you really want to know the answer quickly, it's like tell me, where are you going? Similar like that. When you put are in the end of a question sentence, similar is like the tell me, where are you going? And 你吃什么啊? Tell me, what are you eating? It's like that feeling. Okay, so emphasize your feeling of like you want to know the answer. Emphasize the whole question sentence. You can put are in the end of the sentence. Okay. Okay, next way to use are. 你呀，该找工作了。What does it mean? 你呀，该找工作了。该 something, 了 is like it's time to do something. 找工作 look for a job, find a job. 找 means look for or find. So 该找工作了. It's time to find a job. It's time to look for a job. And 你啊, why I stop here with 啊? So basically in this case, before are we only put one word. It's something you want someone listen to you carefully. Basically I'm talking about you. It's like the 你该找工作了. But I stop here. 你呀. It's like I want you to continue to listen to me. So I say you. And it's time to find a job. Similar like that. Okay. 他啊, it's about it's about him. He should do something, the blah 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 blah. So here basically is like you want to say something, you want to continue to say something, but before you continue, you want someone listen to you more carefully. So you use stop here. Okay. And next one, it's all after one word. 咖啡可乐茶我都喜欢. What does it mean? Okay, when you give similar words together, like and similar like that, you can use to connect them. So 咖啡and 可乐and 茶and so on. I love all. 我都喜欢. 都 means all. I love all. So when you want to say some similar words, give the examples, you can use to connect them. So like 中国人美国人and for example 中国人美国人or 日本人for example Chinese, Japanese, American, like that. So you want to give the similar examples, you can use here. Okay, so today we learned 5 ways to use and most all of them is the end of the sentences. Do you still remember? The first one, when you use is like don't forget to put do in the beginning of the sentence. Do something is like what a nice person, like that. And 2 is like you want someone to do something quickly, but with quite something And next one is after the question sentence, you use as emphasis about the question. 你去哪? Okay, and then next one, it's like you want someone to listen to you carefully. So before you continue your the things you want to say, you stop somewhere. But basically, it's like basically it's after there some people. So 他们about they, about them, or 他呀 about him. Okay, it's like that. And then the 5th way is like that you give similar examples together. Okay, so if you still have any questions, don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you for watching today. I will see you next time. Bye bye.